Melanin Mafia? It's your favorite melanin queen back on the motherfucking scene. You guys, she has 5 guys. And listen, I haven't had 5 guys in forever. And I'm ready to dig in. What I got? I got a bacon cheeseburger with lettuce, mayonnaise, pickles, onions, relish, mustard, ketchup. Yeah. And some fries. And I got my pickles. And because of COVID, they don't have like the little ketchup and vinegar thing outside, you know, when you pick up. So I had to use my own ketchup, and they gave you packets of vinegar now. So, or maybe they did before and I just didn't know. So I put it in a bowl. I kind of went overboard. Look at how much. Kind of went overboard, but you know, it's gonna get 8. So that's it, and that's all. And I have my, they need to sponsor me at this point because, I mean, really, listen. But yeah, y'all, so let me dig in. All right. Oh, you can't even see the ketchup. Let me see. There you go. It's quite vinegary. It's a little soupy. But it's still got I be looking for this vinegar every time I go in the grocery store. I don't never see it, and it's Heinz, but I don't never see it. I haven't seen it in Kroger, and I haven't seen it in Food Line. I looked in. I didn't check Walmart, but I'm like, how is it not? I don't know. Maybe I'm looking in the wrong section, but I look in the vinegar section. I never look in the ketchup section. Maybe I ain't looking there. That's the money shot, big. That's the money shot. Oh, do I want to dip it? I do. I want extra juice. I like my stuff. Oh, I'm twerking underneath the tail. Y'all can't see, but I'm twerking. Okay. Listen. I used to not like Five Guys. I don't know why. Cause I sure love it now. Yeah, I be drinking these Seagram things like it's soda. Like, this is the drink that goes with my meal. Like, it was ridiculous. But yeah, I am into Five Guys now. It was literally years. I tried them and I was like, I don't see the hype. Maybe I ain't get, I don't know. My bag though. Hell. These fries seem a little different today. I don't know. A little better. And I know I shouldn't be eating this, because I eat this and feel heavy and just feel like it's sitting in my stomach the whole rest of the day. But listen, it should be good going in, so deal with the aftermath later. I love pickles with my burgers. Like, I love it. And I got pickles on my burger, and they never usually put enough, so I always just put some on, get some on the side. I went overboard with this ketchup too. I went overboard with the vinegar and overboard with the ketchup. Look at how much ketchup I put in here. Now granted, I do like a lot of ketchup. I might get through most of it, but looking at it, looks like a lot. Oh, excuse me. Y'all, I got on one of my little outfits from where did this come from? Misguided. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, Misguided. Y'all seen this one in my little that live I did when it was like a whole video trying on different outfits. All the pickles. Lettuce in that bite. Oh, and it fell. So y'all, I don't really have a topic or anything to talk about. I'm just here to eat. Still hanging on to my little curly pin oh god, pipe cleaner curls. Honestly, my plan is to keep these in, like with the pipe cleaners, in my hair until the end of the month. And then probably in December, I'll take them out and have my curls, because I already know those curls are gonna last forever and a day. So that's my plan right now. And they have grown on me more. I still wish they were longer. Like I feel like it should have all came down to my chin. That's what I wanted in my head. But, you know, alright. It's the vinegar for me. Y'all see this? Oh, focus back. Okay. It's just, I don't know, it does something to me. Right onion right now. Winding down. Yeah, I got a couple errands to go and run today. Actually, I'm going to vlog. And then later tonight, the night that I'm recording this video, not the night that it posts, but the night that I'm recording this video, I'm going to go live. So at the end of the day, y'all about to see 3 videos of me looking like this. Period. Gonna be this mukbang, the vlog, and the live. But yeah, just to let you know. Actually, the live is gonna show up before this, because the live is gonna be today, and this video is not gonna be until a couple weeks. Uh-oh, it's about to cut off. Okay, we're back. Come here. The bugger tried to get away from me. She run from me, Mordecai. Getting hot. Is it the meat sweats or is it this drink? Am I looking misty? I'm talking like y'all gonna talk back right now. I'm like, huh. It's getting hot up in here. I'm hot. Last bite. That was good. Things always get me. Get. Come Zoe trying to be a scavenger. Go. Go away. Get some food out of my mouth. Alright, y'all. Thanks for sitting and watching me chow down on this burger and these fries. Cause listen, I put it back. But I thank y'all for watching. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Mwah. I'm going hand today. I need a grand today. Keep it 100 with me, let's show that I can't stand the fade. Let me finesse another plate, then we hit the Mandalay. Can't no other nigga